is Shweta Patil from Chennai Amrita IIHM. He is Mr. Vignesh Raj from Conrad Bangalore, housekeeping manager from Conrad Bangalore. We are very grateful to have you in our campus.
Thank you.
So, can you please tell us about the hospitality industry, about the housekeeping department which runs in the hotel?
Okay, so post-COVID, I think most of them would have expected that the hotel industry might not be able to survive, which as again we have seen that hotel industry is again breaking barriers, and we see that we are getting a lot of guest flow. The only thing would be that hotel industry by default, but before hotels had different segregation. There was leisure, there was business, but now, for example, in Bangalore, most hotels were business hotels. But post this COVID, it has actually helped us to focus on other segments of the industry. For example, now Conrad as a brand is focusing on leisure segments or leisure brands, trying to get people who want to go for the resort rather than going to a resort. We are trying to get them to stay in Conrad, by offering various amenities, such as we have some program called Great Small Break. So this is for people who have kids. They can come in. The kids will have a nice time in the play area, whereas the parents can refresh in the restaurants and etc. So that is some new innovative things that we have done at Conrad, and overall hotel industry is also doing the same. And when we talk about housekeeping, see prior, like I said in the session as well, housekeeping was very hidden. But post-COVID, we see that guests and others, anyone who comes in really want to see what cleaning we are doing. So in that way, housekeeping is pushed in the forefronts of showcasing what we do for our guests, how we clean. Because sometimes guest says, I really need to see how the person cleans, whereas this was not the case before COVID. Before COVID, we used to enter and step out while the guest is out. And when the guest comes back, they get a clean room and the housekeeper is nowhere. So it was more of a hidden service. But now we have housekeeping on the shop floor, in front of the guests. So that is a very good thing that has happened post-COVID, because guests really want to see the cleanliness, and we are able to showcase our team as well in the meantime.
That sounds really great. Conrad is taking steps towards the emerging of the hospitality industry after COVID. Okay, so then I would like to ask, how is the future for a female in the hospitality industry or housekeeping department?
See, if you see, this industry is by default, very diverse in terms of gender as well. So even most out of the 7 executive housekeepers I've had, 3 of them were female. So, and if you talk specifically about housekeeping, currently my team manning runs half and half, with half is females and half are male. So I think to answer your question, you can see the gender diversity there itself. And most hotels are now trying to equalize their staff count, keeping half and half of both male and female, because it gives a good atmosphere in the hotel where guests, if they are not comfortable with the male, they have someone to talk to. Same applies for the other gender as well. But in housekeeping specifically, now we are on the upward trend for looking at female team members as part of our team, and that is clearly visible again back to Conrad, because we have our housekeeping team is half and half male and female, so we have good amount of gender diversity here.
That's really great, because it is like in India, it's like if you are a female, go with front office.
True, very true. So that is a very stereotypical way of seeing the hotel industry, because by default I feel that both the male and female genders, they have the same amount of capabilities. And if you see the work-wise, actually, if you see female team members are more observant of the facts that are of the items that are there in the room. So they get more detailed into the cleanliness and etc. So to break the stereotypes, I think one by one each brand has to open up their departments for more gender diversity, and eventually by the time I guess you guys pass out, you will see a good amount of gender diversity.
Yeah, so that was really great of you. And can you please elaborate about the management training program which Conrad gives?
So Hilton has a corporate management training program, and by default the rounds are something which you will have to talk to the L&D manager per se. But when it comes to housekeeping, see, our management training program is all about, it's not about what you learn in your college in regards to your study materials and etc. It's about what you have learned by your professionalism and by your character. So when it comes to management training, the one thing that I would suggest for students is that if they are really planning to crack it, they should start focusing on developing and nurturing their own knowledge in regards to how the industry is, the latest trends, and how the country as well is, because you need to have a sense of general knowledge to break through the various steps in the management training program. But hotels by default are looking at someone not in regards to the gender, not in regards to how they look, but rather how they showcase themselves. But if anyone is able to do that, I think they should be able to crack the management training program.
It's really great. So a few students from our campus, Bangalore campus, Chennai Samrita, are doing their internship in Conrad Bangalore. So do you have any idea?
Yeah, see, I think
how's it going there?
it is actually, first thing, it is very nice, very good to see colleges back in communication with the hotels, because for the past 1 year we have not had any sort of communication. And main thing is, see, prior to COVID and etc., trainees by default were not seen as part of the team. Even when I was training, it was something of an on and off relationship between the trainees and the hotels. But now, because we know the value of each and every single manpower that comes in, I think your Chennai Samrita's students have done really well, and they are still doing their trainings right now when I'm here. So even one person is about to join housekeeping, and I've heard very good comments about that person. So very good trainings being done for your college, and very good students coming from Chennai Samrita.
It's really exciting now.